Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in our previous videos we have seen the strategy for UPSC CSE 2025. We have also seen how to decode syllabus for UPSC, and we have seen what portion of UPSC syllabus can be completed for NCERTs. Now we will see how to read these NCERTs, and we will also see how to complete NCERTs in 100 days, and also we will see what are the important chapters that we have to compulsorily read from this NCERTs for UPSC. So whenever I talk about NCERT, I will recommend that when you start preparing for UPSC and when you start reading NCERTs, the very first thing you have to do is you have to pick NCERTs in subject wise manner. That is, whenever you start NCERTs, take one subject and complete all the NCERTs of that particular subject from class 6 to class 12. For example, if you have taken geography and you have started reading geography NCERT, so first complete all the class NCERTs of geography from class 6 to class 12. This is because your concept will be very clear and you can retain the information for long, and you can also interlink the concepts that you have studied from previous classes also. So this will be helpful because you can link each and every topic with the other topic. So every time when I talk about NCERT, I will always recommend people to complete one subject first and then go to other subject. So I also tell people that whenever you start reading your NCERT, first you have to start with polity. This is because when you start preparing for current affairs, majorly the source for current affairs is newspaper, and in newspaper we get more news related to polity and economy. So I always recommend people to start from polity, and after polity I will tell to complete economics. After that I will suggest geography, and after that I will suggest history. So in the same way, first start your NCERTs with polity. In polity, complete class 11th and class 12th NCERTs. After finishing polity, then go for economics, and there complete class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th NCERTs. After that, go for geography. Read geography NCERTs from class 6 to class 12th, particularly class 9th, 11th, 12th NCERTs. And after that, go for history. If you have chosen old histories, then complete that one, or else if you are trying new one, then go for class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here also you have to do one more thing, is that whenever you start reading NCERTs, most of the people will underline each and every point in your first reading itself. This is really wrong, because in your first reading you don't know what is important for UPSC, and you also don't know what type of questions you get from for UPSC from NCERTs. So what I would tell is, first when you are going through your first reading, first read that whole book as a story, like read each and every chapter as a story, and after completing that entire book, take a gap of one day. After taking a gap of one day, in this one day try to decode the syllabus and try to analyze previous year question papers. Analysis of previous year question papers is nothing but you have to see from which subject what type of questions are being asked. This analysis of previous year question paper I will explain you in another video. So when you have finished your first reading, take one day gap, and in that one day analyze your previous year question papers and also decode syllabus. After doing this too, then go for second reading. In your second reading, then you will understand which concept is talking about what, and what is important from UPSC perspective, so that you will start understanding the concept clearly. And after finishing your second reading, take a gap of half day, like take a gap of few hours. After taking a little bit gap, then again start third reading, and in your third reading, when you read it again, then you will understand what should be pointed out and what should be taken into notes. So this is how you do your NCERTs. For in your first reading, just read it as a story, give a 1 day gap. In your second reading, understand the concept and also see what is important from UPSC perspective. And in your third reading, note down them in your notes or your A4 sheets, whatever it is, note down them. Now coming to the point, how to make notes from this NCERTs. As I told, after your first reading, after analyzing your previous year question papers and after decoding the syllabus, when you start your second reading, you will understand the concept and you will understand what is important from UPSC perspective. When you are going through your third reading, then you have to start making notes simultaneously. This is because when you go to standard books, there you don't know what should be read and how it should be covered and all. So in order to make easy, in order to complete syllabus from standard book in a short time, it is always recommended to make notes from NCERTs when you are doing your third reading. So when you are doing your third reading, make notes from NCERT either in your notes or in your loose A4 sheets, wherever you want, you make notes. And when you are reading your standard books, keep this NCERT notes with you and keep on linking this NCERT notes with your standard books. And in another video, I'll tell how to link the standard books and NCERT notes. So when you are doing your third reading, you have to make notes from NCERTs. And now the most important thing is, what are the important chapters that we have to cover from NCERTs. So here I have given a small list. So this list is nothing but you have to definitely complete these chapters in any way, and you have to keep on revising these chapters for UPSC because these chapters are very important, and you will see this concept in your standard books, and you will also need this concept when you are preparing for current affairs. So now coming to the schedule, that is coming to the plan that we have to follow for the next 100 days to complete NCERTs is given here. So in this plan, I have included each and every NCERT that I have mentioned before, and I have also given at least 3 readings for each and every NCERT. So you can have a look at it, and if you have any doubts regarding this plan, you can ask me in the comment section below. And also you can modify this plan according to your schedule. That is, this time some people may have holidays, but some people may be still going to colleges, or some people may be doing some other activity. So based on your availability of time, you can modify this plan. And some people have asked me about the plan for working professional as well. So I will definitely give that. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.